Hi, I'm Sally, the creator of Love It Stitch It, and I'm here to help you get the most out of using the platform. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can use the main functions and tools within the Love It Stitch It platform. I'll show you how you can select a thread colour, draw a section, erase, add backstitch, and fill any area of stitches. So let's go through some of the main functions and tools that you'll find on the Love It Stitch It platform. So from the first screen then, we're going to click on Create New. And let's call this one Floral. Let's go for an 8 by 8 inch square. You'll see here on the left it's 111 by 111 stitches, and if you want to see the size in centimeters, simply flip that over on the right hand side and you'll see that brings up the width and height as 20.2 centimeters. Scroll down to the bottom and click on Create. Here you'll see that the first thread colour that pops up on the left as the active colour is DMC 310 black, but let's add a few more colours into our colour palette. Click on Full Palette and you can search by any colour you like, whether that's the colour name or the code. So let's add some blues in, and you can add as many as you like in here. Let's go for some pinks. And let's try some yellow. And maybe a green. Click back on the project palette here and you'll see the colours that have been added. So let's select the pink, and if you double click that in the top left, you'll see it changes the active colour. Top left, click on Full Stitch, and let's go for drawing some kind of a petal shape. Click and drag it around. And if we want to fill that, go to the top, click on Fill, click in the centre, and there you go. Let's go for another petal, this time yellow, and do the same thing again. Click down and drag your cursor around until you've got your shape. Don't worry if it goes a bit wrong, you can always erase a section afterwards. And let's fill that in as well. If you don't like a section, all you need to do is go to the top here and click on Erase Full Stitches. And you can click and slide it around, or just erase one stitch at a time. Let's try and draw one more. So we're going to select the blue and again, full stitch. Now, if you're doing here and let's say it goes wrong and you're thinking, I really don't like that at all, I want to erase the whole thing, you can go to the top, select the area. So click in the top left, drag that down, and then right click and delete that whole section. If you want to replace the colour, simply select a different colour from the palette, and we're going to go to the Fill tool, click, and it will completely change the colour for you. If you want to add some backstitch to a particular section, for example, let's select the black. You can choose any colour you like, and we're going to go to our Auto Backstitch tool here, Auto Outline. So click on that, and if you just click on an area, you can see here that it's added a black backstitch outline automatically to the whole of that yellow section. If you want to do backstitch manually, so maybe you don't want it to look exactly like this, you want to make it more curved, or you want to miss out some holes, all you would do is go up here to the backstitch tool, click and hold and drag that down. Again, click, drag that down, click, drag it down, and drag it down like so. If you want to, you can just drag it to one square, but if you want to drag it the whole way, you can absolutely do that too. So this way you can design full cross stitch patterns, and you almost don't need to worry too much about whether or not the squares themselves, the stitches, are perfectly neat, because you can always add that definition in afterwards using a backstitch. If you made a mistake with backstitch and you want to get rid of that, in the top left here you click on Erase Backstitch, and let's click on here, and you can see that that backstitch is disappearing. Thanks for watching this video. If you need any more help at all, please do go and check out some of the other video tutorials available.